lower maintenance and energy costs by retrofitting existing F96T8 and F96T12 single-pin fluorescent fixtures with these direct-wire LED single-pin tubes from PLT Solutions. Installation requires the removal of the ballast, which eliminates ballast maintenance costs and removes a potential failure point from the fixture. These 43-watt LED lamps produce 5,500 lumens and have a frosted glass lens that helps evenly diffuse the light output from end to end. 4,000 Kelvin and 5,000 Kelvin options are available. Industry compliance includes UL, DLC, FCC, ROHS, and these lamps meet NSF requirements for food service applications. Sold by the case, use these single-pin LED tubes in garages, stores, warehouses, and other similar applications. For more information or to find a distributor, visit pltsolutions.com.